Here's the exact process I used to deep clean this dryer vent area, and I mean going beyond the initial lint screen. You will need a vacuum hose attachment kit. This one's flexible so that it's made to go around even odd-shaped hoses like this Dyson here. I'm going to remove the lint screen, take off what's there, and then as you can see, there's a lot that just gets stuck to this part inside the dryer. Yeah, there's quite a bit down there, so let's get that out. Starting with an empty vacuum canister so that we can see exactly how much we get out of here. And then let's get started. We're just going to insert this in and start working our way around all of the sides. We're going to go as far right as we can, as far left, as far down, even work it forward. And then I take a soft bristle brush and just kind of gently scrape any of the stuck on lint. And here's what it looks like now. So much cleaner. After that, I use the soft bristle brush to work loose the lint that likes to hide in these little grooves here on the lint filter. And then the vacuum just sucks those right up as we go. Now let's take a look at what we got out. This is my dryer after 1 month's worth of use. This is all that trapped lint that gets beyond the initial screen. Now I do this once per month, but I do on an annual basis take it one step further. And I'll show you that here. I take a screwdriver, I remove the entire lint trap system. There are 2 screws on the front and 4 screws on the inside on mine. Once we take the case out, we'll see there's a little bit of lint stuck on this. We'll vacuum that as well. Now I've got my sensor bar right here, so we're going to leave that hooked up. And then as you can see, there's still some lint that got trapped even behind all of that casing. There's not as much in here. We got the majority of it already with the initial cleaning that we did. But this just, like I said, gives you one step further. You can take it once a year to really give it that deep clean in this area. And here's what we're left with. I know it's hard to see because it's such a narrow area, but let's go ahead and assemble everything back together. And that's it. We are all clean and ready for more laundry. Check out my cleaning playlist for more deep cleaning videos and subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.